love the nature. The grass is still not that very green, but they are coming up. When the flowers grow, they become so beautiful.
I want a marshmallow.
All this dry stuff will look green. Even the trees, they don't have leaves yet.
There's so much space for the park. Oh, this fucking sunlight.
What? Okay, check your shoes first. What is inside? You said something in your shoes? Yeah, check it out. You can take it out first. Look at this beautiful nature, guys. It's always so relaxing to walk in nature. You see those dry small trees there? Soon they will start blooming up and become beautiful green. Different colors. Right now we still have... Oh my goodness. Look on that side. Those who clean their yard. It's actually looking green right there. Because they have a good right there grass now. Like here guys, you can see the grass is still not that green. You hear the dog barking there? This pond is very big. It goes from there all the way on the other side. And also across the main road. So beautiful. One is swimming up there. Right there, guys. Let me zoom it. You see that? They're enjoying the water now. Finally. Oh, the geese, guys. Cute one. Those two, I think they're couples. They are going back inside the water. Yeah, they love it here. Yeah, there are two. The one that were here, they're just there, going inside the water. See right there? Man, I love this tree, guys. So beautiful, 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 beautiful. Lovely tree, very unique. Oh, there are a lot this side now, you see? The geese. Enjoying the beautiful weather today. So cute, guys. A beautiful place to come and relax, refresh your mind, and enjoy. If you're new to this channel, guys, this is just Archie from Canada. Consider subscribing to this channel. That's how you can support me, guys. And give this video a like and share, guys. Let's be friends on YouTube and in the community. Alright, guys. And drop in the comment section where you're watching me from, guys. Let me know so that I give you a big hug from here. It's a beautiful, beautiful weather today. We're just coming out for nature walk. Enjoys the geese. So beautiful, guys. You see them there? those droplets also. You're gonna step on them. Don't step on them, they're dirty. Okay? Yeah. See the white one there? So cute.
What is that?
Really? You see the sound, the way they make sound, right? It's different.
They're hungry.
Yeah, see how they're flying. When they're flying, see the water ripple. See the wind, how it makes the water ripple like that. So
It's
beautiful.
going that way, and the other one's going that way.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. We gotta go. You guys, not bad. You just did.
That's what
We are going for a nature walk. What can you see? You see a lion? See through that tunnel? You see the tunnel there? Under the bridge? Mina, you see a tunnel there? Preparing for the yard. It's that season for cleaning. Spring comes with cleaning in the early spring. You have to rake, to clean, and leave the grass to grow beautiful. People walking, enjoying the views. Guys, this side of the water. So beautiful. See the white one there. Are those doves? See how they look like they are dancing, guys. You see? It's actually the movement of the water. It makes them like they are dancing, the wave. So cute. See these two guys there? They are giving you guys some move. Dancing. I don't know how they can't feel the water. It's cold. Let me zoom it to you guys. See? See how these guys are dancing there. I mean, I don't go there.
They're different geese.
Did you see them, Papa? You see them dancing?
They're different geese.
Yeah. Those are smaller. Maybe they're deaf.
Those are the small geese. And there's another tunnel.
Yeah, they're coming through there. Going all the way the other side. Guys, get out of the way. The bike is coming there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful nature. I love that. see? Yeah, that one with greener. Here is where somebody sues your property without permission, you will get arrested. Oh, that one seems to be in the school now, guys. That's where the one. Yeah, guys. On the main one, I think you guys don't want to sit the other side. There are a lot of construction going up that side. Here, take it. I think that way is better, guys. That one close to the tree. The one close to the trees is better. This one no shade. And make sure I don't let the paper fly everywhere. Beautiful nature, guys.